I remain unconvinced that we've been visited by aliens. We have high-resolution images of the surface of Mars, an image of a collision with a moonlit asteroid, the DART mission, to deflect it so that we know how to deflect future extinction-level asteroids. We have images from the edge of the universe from the James Webb Space Telescope, parked 1 million miles from Earth. Oh, and by the way, the panorama on Mars was taken by an SUV-sized rover.
Let them know.
With an attached helicopter. We have this high-resolution imagery of all these places in the universe, and the best you have is a fuzzy monochromatic tic-tac in a Navy airspace, restricted airspace, and you want to say those are visiting aliens? If that's the best you have, we have more work to do here.
Let them know.